Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install our GR86 chassis mount splitter. This customer is running our full prototype battle Aero kit. First, you're going to lift the hood and take off the front bumper. Make sure to unclip the fog lights on both sides. Then you're going to take off both headlights, driver and passenger sides. You're going to unbolt the window washer reservoir and move it to the side like so. That'll give you access to the crash bar bolts. There's 4 on each side. Next, we're going to unclip these plastic trim clips on top of the crash bar and take off the crash bar like so. Then you're going to sandwich our brackets in between the frame and the crash bar. This is what your brackets should look like once they are all installed. These side brackets mount up to these holes on the side of the frame. Easy. Next, we're going to notch out the front bumper to make room for the main brackets, bolt up the splitter and test it. Yep, nice and sturdy. So this is what it'll look like once your GR86 chassis mount splitter is installed.